So, ayun po. Good morning sa mga gising pa at sa mga makakanood nito sa pagising nila mamaya. Medyo hindi sulit ang puyat natin dahil yun nga, natalo ang ating national team Gilas Pilipinas sa Chinese Taipei 95-87 sa ating unang laro sa FIBA Asia Cup. So, yun, quick reflections lang tayo. Quick 3 questions ang gusto natin sagutin after that first game natin sa Continental Showpiece. So, first question, how can we have a better start? Siyempre, pag nasa FIBA, you can't have a bad start. We were down by as many as 17 points nung simula pa lang. But, yun nga, pag nasa FIBA, you can't have a poor start, lalo na 10 minutes lang yung quarters. And, unfortunately, bad start tayo kanina. Although, naka-comeback tayo led by Justin Brownlee. And syempre with the efforts of Dwight Ramos and the revelation Kevin Kiambao, medyo we fell short para matapos yung comeback na yun. Second question naman natin, could we have defended the 3 better? Tingin ko hindi na dahil feeling ko maganda naman yung pag-challenge natin sa mga 3-pointers ng Taiwan although wala, maganda talaga ang it was their night offensively because they shot 12 of 27 from 3-pointers and they were led by yung pinaka-nakakainis na parang lahat mo pasok para sa kanya, si Chen Ying-chun, who exploded for 34 points on 6 of 8 from 3-point range. So if you're shooting like that, mahirap ka na talagang kumbaga advantage na talaga sa'yo kung parang lahat mo pasok para sa'yo. And on the other hand naman, ang Gilas, medyo poor yung shooting natin from 3-point range, 8 of 28. So, on our end, we could have shot the 3 better. But, kung maganda depensa mo sa 3, tapos pumapasok pa rin yung 3 ng kalaban, medyo, it won't be your night na talaga. So, I think we could have not defended the 3 better. Maganda na yung depensa natin. So, ang gusto na lang natin mangyari, law of averages sana in the next games against New Zealand tsaka Iraq, sana hindi na masyado maganda yung shooting ng kalaban natin. And our third question, how can Gilas still advance to the quarterfinals? Siyempre, i-explain lang natin yung format. Only the top team from each of the 4 groups will advance to the quarterfinals outright. So, 4 lang yun. 4 teams will advance na automatically sa quarterfinals. So, kahit natalo tayo ngayon, we can still make it siguro 2nd or 3rd place sa ating group na 4 teams. Yun, yung 4 teams, the remaining 4 teams na makakapasok ay paglalabanan ng 2nd place teams versus the 3rd place teams from another group. So, elimination game between the number 2 teams and the number 3 teams. And ang mananalo doon, 1 game elimination, will advance to the quarterfinals to complete the 8-team cast. So, we still have a chance to make it to the knockout stage. We just have to win at least 1 game. Siyempre, medyo mahirapan tayo sa in our next 2 games, New Zealand and Iraq. Our better chance is against Iraq. But, siyempre, we have to still go for the win in our next game against New Zealand on Thursday, 11 p.m. sa Jeddah time. And our last game is against Iraq on Saturday, August 9 at 4 o'clock p.m. So, it's a must-win for us in either of those 2 games for us to still have a chance to finish in the 2nd or 3rd place teams para meron pa tayong elimination game rather, to make it to the quarterfinals and the knockout stages. So, yun. Quick 3 questions lang bago tayo matulog. So, yun. Sana makabawi ang ating Gilas Pilipinas sa next game natin sa New Zealand. Again, it's on Thursday, August 7, 11 p.m. Jeddah time. So, maraming salamat po. Good night and good morning.